Good evening, everyone. I hope all of you are doing fine. Alright, so let's proceed with our today's session. Our today's session is about square roots of decimal numbers. So, in the previous session, we had learned about tricks to find the number of digits in the square root of a perfect square. So, now we'll be learning about the squares of decimal numbers. We have learned about the whole numbers, natural numbers. Okay, so the first question we'll be able to understand this with the help of an example. This is quite similar to the one of long division method, but let's see if there are any changes in it also. The first step is pairing. Here also we have to pair. And remember that after the point we have to pair separately. Before the point it's going to be separate. Separate pairing. After pairing we'll begin with our same steps again. Somewhat same, but where we have to add the point, we must be aware of that also. Let's see. 71. Near to which whose square? But it should be small, right? If we take written number, it's not possible. 6 is a 36, 7 7 is a 49, okay, 9 9 is a 81. No, it's not. 8 is the 64. It's going to work. 64. 11, 6, it's 77. It's 7. Okay. This next step is adding it. But next, we have to bring this pair downward, we know. But before moving to the next step, don't forget to add a point over here because you have completed the first, the calculation for the first pair, right? For one pair we have completed, so we have to add a point over here. And then no need to add any other points over here and continue with the same. 8 plus 8 is 16. 160, 8 into 8, let's see what is its result. Okay, 64, 46, 48, 48 plus 6 is 54. It's 1. No, it's very much. It's not going to work. If we take 164 into 4, let's see, 4 4s are 16, 24, 5 5 2, 756. Oh my god, it's I think the nearest one. I think that this also won't work, but let's still check it. 32, 2, 3, 825. No, so 164 into 4. We know that we have to place the same digit over here as well as over here. So 164 into 4, we have to neglect this. Okay, don't assume 164 into 84, 8.4 or whatever the number is. Not the complete one, just the next number. Okay, so minus 756 was it? What is its result? It's 656, 76, 6, 3, 13, 8, 4, 5. Yes, let me once check whether I'm proceeding correct or not. This is 25. You have to bring the complete pair down, not just a number. This complete pair has to be brought down. Okay, correct. 8425. So for this, shall we take a next board or kind of thing? Because this is, a very congested area here. Okay. Okay. So it's 8425. For the next step, as I had told you, again you have to add it with the next quotient. Okay, the quotient at the top. Okay, when we add 4 over here, it's going to be 168. What number must be placed here? 168. And what number must be placed here? So 1685 into 5, because for the 25 the units digit we have to see, no? 2 8 for the 42, yes, 30 34 8 4 2 5, it's correct. So we are going to place 5 over here. 5, it's 8 4 2 5 and 0. That means the square root is 8.45. Just the same thing, you have to go according to the long division method itself. Just the thing is, you have to add a point and you have to see the grouping, it should be separate. Okay, from the point separates it. Let's solve one more question to become more familiar with it. 51.84. Just the first step, pair, done, the pairing is done. Okay, so here will not learn like if we have 3.84, so in that case what you have to do, those things we won't be learning. Just with the even number of digits, if they are there, then what we are going to do. Okay, both the sides, if you are able to pair, then what will be the result? We are going to learn that. 7 7 49, I hope that's the nearest one. 49, right? So it's 2.84. No, you have to put the point over here. If you apply a point, done. You know that the complete pair has to be brought down. You have to add it with the quotient. 14 1. You know the digit over here is 4, so it can either be, the one space can either be 2 or 8, because 2 2s are 4, 8 is 64, so the unit space is 4. So we can take 142 into 2 and check. 2 2s are 4, 284. Oh my god, it works. So 7.4 and 84 and 0. That implies the square root of 51.84 is 7.2. Done. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed the session also. And if you have any doubts, or you feel like I'm not able to understand this particular sum or this particular concept, kindly place it in the comments box below. And thank you.